There's a day in the gym no one congratulates you for. No one notices. No PR, no applause. But something feels different. And if you've been training long enough, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's not about looking bigger in the mirror. It's not about lifting the heaviest weight in the room. It's something quieter, more subtle. It's the moment you stop feeling like a beginner without even realizing it. Think back to your first days. You didn't walk into the gym. You entered carefully, looking around, trying not to stand out. Every movement felt awkward. You didn't know what to do next. You weren't sure about your form. You kept checking if people were watching. You'd finish a set and immediately grab your phone, not because you needed it, but because you didn't know what else to do. You weren't training yet, you were surviving. It wasn't just physical, it was mental. You felt out of place, behind everyone, like you didn't belong there. Even the light weights felt heavy. Even simple exercises felt complicated. And deep down, you questioned if this was even for you, but you didn't quit. And that's where everything started changing. Slowly, almost invisibly. You stopped wandering around. You started having a plan. You stopped copying others. You started understanding your own body. You learned how to control the weight, how to feel the movement, how to push past discomfort. Not perfectly, but consistently. At first, it was small things. You added one more rep, then another. You increased the weight, just a little. Exercises that used to destroy you started feeling manageable, then comfortable, then controlled. And that's when progress stopped being exciting and started becoming real. And then one day, you walk into the gym and something feels different. You don't hesitate. You don't look around. You don't overthink. You just start. You pick up a weight that used to challenge you, and it moves easily. No struggle, no doubt, just control. And in that moment, you realize something. You're not a beginner anymore. But here's the part no one tells you. This is where it actually begins. Because now, progress slows down. Results take longer, and effort needs to increase. This is where most people quit, not at the start, but right here. The difference now, you're not chasing motivation. You're building consistency. You're not guessing anymore. You're improving. You're not just working out, you're training. Most people never reach this point. You did. So don't stop now, because this version of you is just the beginning. Subscribe to Major Muscles.